If there was some way we could go back in time and I could somehow tell my 16-year-old self that today is happening, I would have told you it's impossible. This should not be happening. This is not in the realm of possibility for someone like me. I wear $9 shorts. Like, I should not be here standing today taking delivery of a Bugatti Veyron. We are achieving a childhood dream. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. The truck is gonna be here in about 45 minutes en route from Los Angeles, California. Today is the day, boys. Delivery day. Now, some of you guys might be a little bit surprised. You're kind of sort of confused. What is going on? Today is actual delivery day. I have not actually seen the Bugatti Veyron. The video that you guys watched yesterday, that was like a grand unveiling. This is how I actually am getting the car. So we got all the packing peanuts. These are gonna go in the crate later this evening. We're gonna box up the Veyron in the crate, and then tomorrow we actually do the grand unveiling, which you guys have already seen. I think that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, go watch the video, link below. So we gotta get all the packing peanuts out of the way. We gotta get the Ferrari out, the events are out, because as soon as the Veyron gets here, we gotta dump it in the garage so that nobody can see it. I know this doesn't make sense, trust me. It'll make sense in a matter of like 5 or 8 minutes. Obviously, I already punctured a hole, so we got packing peanuts flying everywhere. On cue, I can see the truck. It is here. Oh my goodness, my heart just started to race. It's happening. It is actually legitimately happening. This has been 3 months in the making. I've been clickbaiting this for so long. The Veyron is here. There's nothing like taking delivery of a new car. Oh my goodness. This is so crazy. The first Veyron, not the first, the only Veyron currently in the state of Utah. The chrome wheels with the white calipers. I've never seen so much fear in Clayton's eyes. Heart is pounding. Clayton's the only person that I trust to drive the car. Obviously I want to be out here to film. I am shaking, guys. Like, how did this happen? How do we own a Bugatti Veyron, 1,001 horsepower? When this car came out in 2005, it was the fastest car in the world, and now it is in my garage, well, the Burlacher's garage, you know what I mean. Oh, whoa. Easy, easy, easy there, big fella. The Veyron is incredibly low. We gotta get it into the garage ASAP so that nobody sees the car. Yo. It's been about 2 hours since the truck driver dropped off my Veyron. My Bugatti Veyron. Like, a guy like me with this style should never be saying the 3 words, my Bugatti Veyron, yet here we are, boys. We have done it. We have officially arrived. All the neighbors were over here. Everybody was sitting in the car, seeing a Bugatti for the very first time. And now that everybody has left, I'm just trying to cherish the moment. Like, my Bugatti Veyron is sitting in the Burlacher's garage. I still don't own a house, and more to come on that. Don't worry about it. It doesn't matter. It's an exciting day. I still rent a bedroom for $800 a month, but that is absolutely not, well, it's not nonsense. It's actually factual. I just want to thank all of you guys, anybody who and everybody who smashed that like button, watched my videos for the past 8 years. I couldn't have done it without you. I want to thank my mom and dad, my 3 older brothers, of course, Burlacher, Mrs. Burlacher, Clayton, Faith, Tessa, and of course, the cutest floof in the world, Oscar. I couldn't have done it without all of your guys' support. Thank you guys so much. Boys, we've done it. I also want to thank all of my sponsors. Without your guys' support, there would never be a Bugatti Veyron in the garage. And in particular, I want to thank today's video sponsor, brought to you by Epic Games. Fortnite has just released their latest season, Season 4, called Nexus War. Boys, if you have not downloaded Fortnite quite yet, you're going to want to check out the link in the description below. Go download it for free using my link. Season 4 Nexus War is crazy. This is definitely the coolest set prop we've ever had for a sponsored video, sitting on the door sill of a Bugatti Veyron. It still hasn't quite sunk in. Fortnite, if you haven't played Fortnite before, boys, you must be living under a rock because it is the world's most popular battle royale game. You start off with 100 players, you're floating through the sky in the Fortnite battle bus, you all jump out, catapult out, skydive down to the island, 100 players, last player, last team standing is the champion. But Season 4 Nexus War is the coolest season yet because Fortnite has introduced all of the Marvel characters to the game. The likes of Iron Man, Thor, Wolverine, Doctor Doom. But not only are the characters in the game, they're iconic locations as well. Doom's Domain is a location in the new Fortnite Season 4 Nexus War, as well as their superpowers. Silver Surfer Board? Yeah, that's in Fortnite. You definitely want to download Season 4 Nexus War of Fortnite. We've played Fortnite on the channel before. You guys have made fun of me because I'm not very good, but it is so much fun. It is so addicting. It is so competitive. If you have not downloaded the game, check out that link in the description below. You can download it for free. Fortnite is sincerely one of the most fun games I have ever played. In Season 4 Nexus Wars, you can now play with Iron Man's superpowers. It doesn't get any cooler than that. Check out the link, download the game for free in the description below. Massive shout out to Epic Games for sponsoring today's video. Oscar, buddy! Pa? Come on, put it up there. Come on, bud. Come on. Good boy. What do you think of the Bugatti? It's Oscar White Floof. Paint a sample, Oscar White Floof. Yeah, you're a good boy. Were you just taking a nap? Initial drive, day one right here. We're not going to drive it very far. This is so crazy to be driving a Bugatti in my neighborhood. This is actually the second time it has happened. What's up, Johnny? This is so surreal. Like, I've driven Bugattis before. I've driven some Chirons and some Veyrons, but it's so much different when it's your car. Just the sound of that Veyron, it just wants to go and go and go. You can hear the 4 turbos kind of sort of whistling. It's like, come on, we're going 31 miles an hour. I've done the Veyron interior tour so many times, but 1,001 horsepower there on the left, 280 miles an hour there on the Speedo. So we have 20,828 miles on my Veyron. That still sounds so surreal to say. Oh, we have a success right here. The Veyron successfully made it here to the undisclosed warehouse. So Clayton and I are going to crate up the Bugatti. So I had this custom crate built by a local carpenter here in Utah. This thing is absolutely sick. It's built with all sorts of different pieces. So we're going to drop the walls, we're going to remove the roof, we're going to put the Veyron in there, we're going to then build the crate around it, and then we're going to cover it with the packing peanuts. Oh, jeez.
Hey, that's pretty sweet.
Isn't that sick? I don't know what to do with the crate once we're done with it, but it'll make for good fire. Whoa, really? Bro, as his hair just goes blowing in the wind. This isn't going anywhere. Oh, no. This is the just in case angle. In case Clayton and I perish because we die, this is the proof. Note to self, next time I build a custom crate for a Bugatti, maybe add a couple inches on both sides. As you can see, we are so incredibly close. And the rear fenders, the rear of this car is actually wider than the front of it. That's crazy.
Like, look how close this is.
Yeah. So, my measurements were very, very, very precise, but I wasn't wrong. The car fits like a glove. Oh my gosh. That is so close. That's ridiculous. Out of nowhere. Oh, jeez. Wow, I got a little bit excited right there. I'm just so excited to see you.
That was excessively terrible.
How to drive through a tunnel. Windows down, accelerate, downshift, accelerate. Where's the crash into a wall though?
Merch coming soon.
Whoa, are you shouting at your own merch line?
No, it's gonna be on your merch line. We all know it will be.
Wow. Yeah. Still can't get over how close this crate is to the car. Next time we're gonna make just a little bit wider here. That is crazy. I mean, it does work, but yeah. It's like 98 degrees in here with like 47% humidity. So if I look flush, I'm not gonna pass out. If I do pass out, Nick will resuscitate me. So obviously we put the Ferrari cover on the car because when we unbox it, like you guys have already seen, if you haven't, there's a video link in the description below. If it was a blue Bugatti cover, the surprise would be gone. But so we went with the Ferrari cover. So Ferrari executives, no cease and desist.
I'm not resuscitating you.
Obviously you can still see the horseshoe, so anybody can tell it's a Bugatti, but at the same time, you kind of sort of can't.
I just want to say that the engineering and the skill work from the carpenter to build this box, combined with James' measurements, I mean, precise.
This right here is properly sick. This is why we spent so many hours getting this custom crate built, and now's the fun part, the packing peanuts. So I spent all day yesterday driving from warehouse to warehouse to warehouse to get 156 cubic feet of packing peanuts. 2 days from now, I'm gonna spend an entire day cleaning it up. I don't know if we got enough. Fun fact, Clayton told me these are biodegradable. You can actually eat one.
Okay, I will give up.
Eat it. I'm serious. No, just try to do it. Do it. Eat it.
I just want
It's like Orville Redenbacher's. Eat it. Do it, Tess. It's like popcorn. It just needs more butter. It does taste like popcorn. I'm serious. This is popcorn. They're like a half a pound each. This isn't that impressive. How are you so good at this?
It's not my first Bugatti I've packed.
3, 2, 1, bolt away! That kind of sort of worked.
Kinda.
We'll count it.
Kinda.
Absolutely count it.
Kinda.
Okay, that was honestly the best part. You're a natural at this. Where'd you learn this, bro?
I can't believe James failed, Tessa. So lame. I don't know what his deal is. That's kind of why I fired him, really.
Get here! Whew. What'd I miss, folks? It's approximately 2 hours later, and there's a variety of reasons for that, but the singular reason is because I am an idiot. You see, a DSLR camera against a Ford Raptor, usually the Ford Raptor wins. I am trying to remain optimistic for you guys on the old YouTube channel, but deep down I am dying a slow death. I just drove over my camera with my Ford Raptor the night before the coolest unboxing of my entire life, and my valuable, like, beautiful camera is just completely shattered. Really a representation of my future, my dreams, and my reality. When you think about it, it's kind of sort of crazy. I've been filming YouTube videos for 9 years, and I've never once ever driven over my camera. The chances that this goes very well are very, very slim to none, but sometimes in life, make it rain. That didn't go well. Oh, that actually was pretty cool. That wasn't bad. That was the first try. There's kind of sort of 2 ways this could go down. Obviously, Burlacher's a giant behemoth, so we're probably gonna be okay, but the just in case angle. That is poor technique, bro.
Just push it, I got it.
Your balance is all out of whack, you just go bam.
I don't go bam. I make things go.
I've seen him go bam.
Yeah, there's one time he was helping me.
Hey, bro,
He pushed me down the stairs. He was helping me carry a mattress, bam. Yeah, true story.
Burlacher actually cannot physically walk backwards downstairs. That's right. Where's the car? No hands. Oh, you got it?
Is this literally the last trip?
That's it, boys. I just realized I had a bit of an epiphany. I took delivery of a Bugatti Veyron today. I drove it 40 miles to some random abandoned warehouse. I put it in a crate and covered it with packing peanuts. Let that sink in.
It doesn't look that cool.
No?
Slow-mo, slow-mo.
Slow-mo.
Roll it back in slow-mo. Nope, nope.
Oh.
Don't do it in slow-mo. I mean, like, edit it in slow-mo.
And there it is, 12 hours later, we have crated up a Bugatti Veyron. Boys, I still cannot believe that we took delivery of a Bugatti Veyron, and I haven't even really driven the car properly. Next video, we're gonna take the car up into the mountains. We are gonna go full send of the car. We are going to experience the full 1,001 horsepower, the quad turbocharged, the W16, the Bugatti Veyron. I cannot thank you guys enough for all of your support, but as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.